How to make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. Creating Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite is a fantastic way to engage your audience and showcase your brand's creativity. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you how you can make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. The first step is to open your Meta Business Suite on your desktop, and then the second thing is to link your Instagram account if you've not. Now, how do you link your Instagram account? After logging into your Meta Business Suite and you've not linked your Instagram account, just scroll down. You'll see the option Connect an Instagram Profile. So you just have to click on it. Then after clicking on that, you can see Connect to Instagram. You can decide to create a new Instagram profile, or you can just decide to log in to your Instagram profile. Then you click on Continue. Then after doing that, you can see another page should be displayed where you'll be asked to provide your login details and log in into your Instagram page. So you can see, you can decide to continue. If your Instagram page has been opened on your desktop before and you saved it, you can just see, you can decide to continue, or you can decide to, like I said, create another account. So as you can see, these are the processes involved in connecting your account. You can see, are you a creator, business? Just go ahead, fill in all of this, click on next. Do you want a category to show on your profile? Select it. If not, you can just check through this and then go ahead with the form and click on done, and then you wait for the page to load again. So just follow through these processes, and then once you're done, your Instagram account will be connected to your Facebook account. So after your Instagram has been connected, next thing you can now do is move to the Create Reel option on your Meta Business Suite homepage. So after clicking on Create Reel, you wait for the page to load, and then you'll be taken to the Reel Creations page. So on this page, you can see where you want to share it to. So the next thing here is to just select this. If you've connected your Instagram account, you would see the Instagram account option here. So you just have to untick this and by clicking on it this way, and then you select the Instagram account since you are trying to create an Instagram reel. All right, and then just click on add video with a video or a picture, but since it's a reel, the best thing to do is to add the video and then describe your reel so people can know what it's about. Then you can add a collaborator if you want to. Then move to the lower right side. The next button would have been available, so just click on it. Then you'll be taken to the next stage for you to edit your reel. After editing it, click on share, and just like that, your Instagram reel would be created and published or your Instagram accounts through your Meta Business Suite account. So this is how it works. Very simple. Ensure you try this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.